Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we've harvested a pretty good bit of cilantro. Now you can freeze cilantro, but if your freezer is getting filled up with space, and it does freeze real well, then you want to take and find another way. If you have a freeze dryer, it's an ideal way to do this. Now you could probably just freeze dry the whole thing. Of course, it takes up more space. But what I do is I just pick the main stems off them, and because they're pretty tough anyway, and then I'll pile the leaves up on the tray. So let me get after this. Okay, I've got them all destemmed. Now, if you notice, these trays are loaded up pretty good as far as I'll put as much in as I can and still slide them in the slots. Now it dehydrates good. This is about a half a bushel of cilantro, which is a good year's supply for us. But anyway, I'm going to get this in the freeze dryer and we'll get this started, and then we'll look at it after we get it out. And it's got it all freeze dried, and that's not all of it, but it's easily pushed down, crunched up, and if memory serves me, that half a bushel is going to fit in this quart jar, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I was mistaken. That which it was a solid half a bushel, kind of packed in. It made 1 pint and 1 quart, and this is an excellent way to preserve it. If you haven't found out about freeze drying your food, and you want to find out more, use that link below. It's an affiliate link, so it does help me out just a little bit, and of course you'll get the same good deals. But you can find out all about them. Now the one I use is the large one, 5 tray, but any of the sizes will work. Now we preserve quite a bit of food, so we went with the large. But you'll find out that once you freeze dry cilantro, it is excellent. I mean, it tastes just as good as fresh whenever you use it in something. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course give it a big thumbs up and share this video. It helps my channel. Happy gardening.